Hello everyone. Do you know that good eye health starts with good food on our tables, and that green leafy vegetables are great sources of minerals, calcium, vitamin A, magnesium, vitamin C, lutein, and beta-carotene, which are essential nutrients that helps in preventing eye-related diseases. 2 out of the numerous nutritious green leafy vegetables that are beneficial to the eye are okra, also known as lady's finger, and ugu, also known as fluted pumpkin leaves. These two are referred to as the powerhouse of antioxidants, which are powerful compounds that destroy free radicals responsible for cell degradation and vision loss. So today I'll be showing you one of the numerous methods of preparing these 2 vegetables into a soup. And the needed ingredients for preparing an okra and ugu soup are okra, ugu, crayfish, meat, ponmo, palm oil, pepper, onions, smoked catfish, stockfish, locus beans, salt, and stock cube to taste. The sauce is already prepared. I prepared my sauce by first heating the red oil for a few minutes. Then I added already diced onions, locust beans, pepper, crayfish, and other ingredients. Then I added the already boiled proteins, the meat, the catfish, the stockfish, and ponmo. Stir them together so as to mix well with the sauce, and this is all covered up for 5 minutes. In a different clean pot, I have boiled little water that I want to use for preparing my okra and ugu, and now I'm pouring the already chopped okra into the boiled water. The okra should be left to boil for 1 minute before adding the ugu, that is the fluted pumpkin leaves. Then stir it up and leave to boil for another 1 minute in order to preserve the greenish color and nutrients. Thereafter, I pour it into the sauce and stir it together. Now, my okra and ugu soup is ready. This is one of the ways I prepare okra and ugu soup. Feel free to share how you prepare okra and ugu soup in your environment in the comments section. Remember, we encourage the frequent intake of green leafy vegetables for good eye health. We would like to know where you are watching us from. Kindly tell us your location in the comment section below. Please like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more educative eye health videos. Thank you.